Hello guys. Welcome to Wow Hotel Reviews. Today I am reviewing Isleta Resort and Casino. It's a 4-star hotel. Please use our booking.com link in description to book the hotel and get special pricing. Some of the most popular facilities are 2 swimming pools, free Wi-Fi, free parking, non-smoking rooms, good fitness center and a bar. Isleta Resort and Casino with an on-site casino, convention center, and bowling alley. This luxury hotel offers shuttle service to Albuquerque International Sunport, 9 miles away. It is a 15-minute drive from downtown Albuquerque, New Mexico. The warm-colored guest rooms at Isleta Resort and Casino Albuquerque are equipped with a 40-inch flat-screen TV and an iPod docking station. Guests can browse the internet with free Wi-Fi. Embers is a premium steakhouse, offering a fine dining experience and a full-service bar every Tuesday through Saturday. Starbucks coffee and ice cream are served at Chill. The Rio Grande Zoo is 16 miles from the Albuquerque Isleta Resort and Casino. Balloon Fiesta Park, home of the International Balloon Fiesta Hot Air Balloon Festival, is a 30-minute drive away. Use our link in description to get special discount on this hotel. Don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel.